it have to be louder?
Stand up. This shit 400 degrees.
Knock, knock, bitch, I'm at your door. Get you pop, pop. On my son, bitch, I'm the shit. It don't stop, stop. This shit hot, hot. Ain't no thought. You are.
Hey exclusive baddies, so I found this t-shirt at Walmart in the men's section. I'm just outlining it with the old dress that I already currently have to make the pattern, and I'm just going to cut it out, and I'm making a basic tube dress. So I'm just going to cut it out, and then I'm going to sew the sides together, insides together, right sides together. And yeah, so I'm just going to head over to my sewing machine, and I'm going to sew that up just in a zigzag stitch so that it can be stretchy and, you know, stretch and stuff. So I'm just doing all this right now. I'm sorry my background is loud. There's a lot going on. I'm outside, but goodness gracious, I hear the AC, the insects, they loud as hell. I'm like, well, anyways, I hope that doesn't bother us. So I want to make a bustier, so I just used the bra and I'm cutting out a pattern for both sides. I actually messed up really bad here. I cut the back too. I didn't take the back of the dress apart. So yeah, I messed that up, and you'll see how I recover. I'm going to just use mesh for the back. So I'm just sewing that up now. So for the little cups to hold the boobs, I had just that, since the back is what I messed up, I used that for the cups. I just cut out some little sections for that, and I'm doing a base stitch, whereas in you don't back stitch, and you just do a straight line with the longest thread all around. And once you do that, like once you're done, you want to make that starting thread really long so that you have enough, and you want to make the end really long so that you have enough to make it roughly like ruched. So right now I'm just going over, I'm sorry, it's like super blurry. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I'm just pulling one of the threads. You don't pull both, you pull one of the threads. So I am sorry, I forgot to show you guys how I made the ruching at the top of the cup area. So I just took some elastic and just stretched elastic, but not the shirt, and that's how it became roughly. So right now I'm just taking that top thread on the shirt and just pulling it, and it's just, you know, just watch what I'm doing. I'm just pulling and then, you know, spreading all the ruches and stuff out like that. So what you want to do now when you create your little cup holders, boob holders, is sew around it, right sides together. And then next, we're going to do the roughly arms. So I just used the old sleeve from the shirt and cut them down to size. And then I'm going to put elastic in them. I realized I only did one thick elastic when I should have just did two skinny ones, to make it have more ruffles and to make it like less tight, because that like elastic was a little like fitted, like it was a little too tight, but you know, I still stuck with it. So that's what the cups on, and then I did the rufflies on the arms, and I'm just going to attach those together with the sewing machine. Just attach the raw edges together. And then now I'm adding the little drawstring on the sides. I was originally going to do two. I ended up just doing one because I didn't want it to be too short. I wouldn't mind one side being short, but both, it would have been like really tiny. So for the drawstring, what you have to do is just take that little piece that we made and sew 3 straight lines, and so there's spacing to attach the hoops inside. Well, attach the drawstring inside so you can draw it up on the side and tie it in a little bow and make it all cute. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just tying it up, making it cute, so it's all like ruchy on one side of the dress because the top is ruched. So I have some reflective vinyl. I got this off of Walmart. Not Walmart. I got this from Amazon. So I wanted to have some lightning streaks, so I'm just cutting some little wigglies out. I looked at a picture, just cutting a bunch of wigglies out because I do not have a Cricut, which I need. And I'm just cutting them all out, cutting a bunch of different sizes and different ones, skinny ones, bigger ones, two of them. I don't know, just trying to make it look like, it kind of looks like a tree branch, but you know, whatever. I think it looks like lightning, you know. If I would have had a Cricut, it would be like, definitely look like lightning. But they're reflective in rainbow, super cute. So I'm just gonna peel off the clear backing, which kind of was hard because it was like it was skinny. The pieces were skinny, so I had to use a freaking like safety pin to like detach them apart. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. And then I'm gonna iron everything on. I have like a parchment paper on top to iron everything on to create my little like lightning streak coming from the thigh, coming from the bottom of the dress. You know, make it cute because this is kind of boring. It's just a basic little tube dress. I want to give it some type of like, you know, something cute, different. I really want to tie dye, but I did all this video. I did this video in one day and I didn't have time to tie dye. I did it on today, Sunday, and I'm recording and editing and doing everything like right now just so I can get my video up on my Sunday because I want to be that person that you guys know that I have a video. These are the outfits that I think I'm going to do for like the montage. We'll see how everything looks and let's go. I'm gonna show you guys that that's reflective. That purse is from Target. Those shades are from, I don't remember. Those are from College Spring. Those are from College Spring too. Walmart are the shirts. That's from Walmart. The string, those shoes are from Walmart. And those from AliExpress. So basically, these are Walmart fits. So this is how I'm gonna style my Walmart outfits. And let's try them on, see how cute they are. I really want to do this on the letters, but I'm like, it's gonna be so hard. So I opted out, and I really want to bleach this, but I don't have bleach, and well, I have ordered bleach, but I need to pick it up, and I really want to film this video because I will have to wash it and all that stuff. So we're just gonna keep it like this for now. I'll probably give you guys an update of how it looks with the bleach on it, and I was supposed to tie dye that one. So let's go. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Bye.